everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. If you are a new viewer, welcome. My name is Jewel, but you can call me Juju, hence the name of my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how I made this wonderful dish right here. It's fried rice my way with fried chicken wings and guava glaze that I will show you how to make. It's really good. And also some potato salad my way. So I made this meal because I wanted to show my mom how much I appreciate her, and she's been working really hard throughout this whole coronavirus COVID-19 ordeal. I just wanted to cook this really nice meal for her, just to let her know that I do appreciate her, that she's loved, and she mouth sweet. Hi mom, if you've seen this, don't laugh. Mother's Day is quickly approaching, and if you are a young girl or a young guy or even a young adult, old adult, whatever, and you wanted to cook a meal for your mom, I hope that this video will be a great video. Cook something nice for your mom on Mother's Day, or even before Mother's Day, just to show your mom how much you do appreciate her, because I mean, we don't have to wait until Mother's Day comes around to show our mothers how much we really do love and care and honor them, because they deserve so much more. Thank God for mothers and fathers, because if the two of them didn't come together, you nor me wouldn't be here. So I will be doing the voiceover, and I will try my best to explain everything that I'm doing. If you do decide to follow this, I will leave any contact information for me in the description box, and I will try my best to fill out the description box with everything, the ingredients and everything, to the best of my ability. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed, pause this video right now and hit the subscribe button. Right next to the subscribe button is the bell button. Hit that bell button to be notified of whenever I do upload any videos. Now on to the video. I hope you enjoy it. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Take care and enjoy. Bye. So for my fried rice, I have my rice here. This is 2 cups of rice that I already washed. I have some frozen vegetables here. I have my Chinese sauce, my soy sauce. Then I cut up all of my little greens. I have green onion, ginger, green pepper, red pepper, the carrots here. And I have my little seasoning. Mix up some black pepper. I have some salt. I'm using iodized salt today, table salt. I am frying little chicken wings here, and in here I'm boiling my potatoes to make a potato salad, and then I'm gonna make a guava glaze to put over this. Alright y'all, so this is my fried chicken all done. And now I'm going to show you how I made the guava glaze. So I first started with butter, and as you can see, I am putting some butter into the pot, and I'm just going to let it melt. Then I'm going to add some chopped up garlic that I put in a food processor, and I'm going to let that cook for about a minute or so. Then I'm going to add this guava paste. I picked it up in Walmart, and I'm just adding about a quarter of that packet, and I'm just going to stir it until it is dissolved into a liquid form. It's going to be really thick. You'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. Alright, now I'm adding this Worcestershire sauce. I can't give you a specific measurement amount, I just eyeballed it, and this will make the sauce really brown, and also it makes it a lot more liquidy, and it stretches the glaze. So I added some onion powder to it just to spice up the flavor a bit, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna pour all of that all over the chicken wings, and then cover the lid and just shake everything up so that it will be coated as much as possible. The sauce was on the little bit side. If I had a lot more, then all of the chicken would have been more immersed in the sauce, but it came out pretty well. Here I'm adding some garlic on top of the shaked up wings, as well as some green bell peppers. Then I'm gonna give it another shake, and that's how I did my wings. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you how I did my potato salad. Here's my potatoes, and I have this right here, mayo. I have some apple cider vinegar, some salt, honey, black pepper, some of this carrot right here. First thing I'm going to do is take a clean teaspoon. I'm going to put the mayo in there. Do two or three teaspoons because I want it nice and creamy. Then I'm going to add about a cork of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to add that amount of salt right there, some black pepper, a tablespoon of honey because I want it to be sweet too. Then I'll just mix this together. Here I'm adding some of the shredded carrots, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and scallions. I'll add some of this to it too. Just a little bit. And then mix all of that up. It's all done. Alright guys, I will be explaining to you how I did the fried rice. I started by putting some oil into my pan. Then I'm just showing you my plate of ingredients or vegetables that I cut up. So we have red and green bell peppers, shredded carrots, scallions, and ginger. I started by adding garlic to the hot oil, then I added my ginger. These are the opening flavors, and ginger is a very overpowering ingredient. I love to cook with it. And also I added some of my green seasoning blend that I made. If you'd like to see how I did that, I will place a link to it in the description box. I'm just adding some 5-spice powder. You can find that in a local West Indian store, and also you can try Amazon. You should be able to find it on there. And I'm adding a chicken bullion cube. You can get that at Walmart. And now I'm just adding some of the vegetables, so the red and green bell peppers, some carrots, and some scallions, and I have some left over to add to the rice once it's done cooking. So I also went ahead and added my Chinese sauce. I got this from my local West Indian store, but you can also use soy sauce. Just don't use too much of it, and also you can use the Worcestershire sauce. And I just let everything cook. It's smelling so nice. And now I'm just adding my rice, and I'm going to add some dried marinated pork, or you can use dried thyme if you can get some in this case. And I'm gonna stir everything up just so that, you know, it's all mixed in and stuff like that. Now I'm adding some of this Worcestershire sauce. hopefully I'm saying the word correctly. I cannot give you a specific measurement. I'm just eyeballing everything, and I'm adding the soy sauce. And I'm adding the soy sauce because it helps to brown the rice some more. Then I added a little bit of garlic salt. Everything is all eyeballed. And I'm also adding some aji to this, and then I'm stirring everything up. So whilst I was cooking all of this on one burner, on a separate burner, I had a pot of hot water waiting for me to use, and so that when I'm about to pour the water into the pan, it will not slow down the cooking process. That's one thing that I learned from my mom, who she learned it from her grandmother. So that's a really good tip to know. And as you can see, I added some more scallions and ginger, some more Chinese spice, and a little bit of sea salt. And now I'm just adding the hot water. You want to make sure that there's enough that will cover the entire pan, so that when the rice is cooking, it wouldn't cook hard or it won't be too sappy, just the right amount. Then cover it down and turn your heat down. The rice is done. This is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. It's going to have some burnt pieces on the bottom, so you can scrape it off once you transfer it and throw it out or eat the bun. Now you just want to transfer the rice from the pot to the bowl as demonstrated. Tablespoon of butter. By adding the butter and using a fork to spread it, it gives the rice a nice flavor and also helps to loosen it up a lot. Now I'm adding my vegetables as I showed you in the beginning, and I'm adding the remainder of the cut up scallions, bell peppers, and red carrots, and I just mixed everything in, and this is what it's looking like. So yeah, and this brings me to the end of the video. I hope that this was helpful and I was able to explain everything and you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think, and I will see you in another video very soon. God bless you.